Hey guys, Danyal Islam here, Black Diamond in Validus from the UK, living in Dubai right now, and I'm just here at the launch of the new headquarters, and we've just talked about the VCON event that's happening in May. Now guys, we've all heard people say that you need to be at the VCON, but really and truly, today I got the vision of why you really need to be here. And it's because this is not just going to be an event for network marketing individuals. This is going to be an event that is going to empower people from all around the world to improve their lives and really make a difference in the communities that they come from. So guys, we have had some incredible announcements that we have had to sign NDAs that we cannot talk about, but what's in store for the VCON is going to be life-changing, it's going to be unique, and it's going to be the new era of people in this industry.